And you did say to me the other day that, you know, your record going into this game, Charlton's record, hadn't won in 11. You thought, oh, danger. And I suppose in the first half, we could see why.
Yes, because it's difficult when during this week everybody were speaking about how good the team is, Middlesbrough is, manager of the month, player of the month, and you score in the first 5 minutes. Again, you can think that everything is done, and I knew that it was going to be a very difficult game, but again, I prefer to keep the reaction. I know the 3 important points because Bournemouth and Derby don't lose their game, so we have to keep going and to keep fighting always.
You mentioned Bournemouth and Derby both winning today, and today, of course, every game's important, but today felt extra especially important because Bournemouth and Derby play each other, don't they, on Tuesday? Was that something you're conscious of, that you really had to win today for that reason?
Of course, we have to take advantage in this in those moments because I don't know how many games to finish the thing is 17 games now, and we are going to lose points for sure because it's impossible to win all the points, and but we can't lose points against the Charlton, for example, today at home, and Blackpool is going to be a very, very difficult game because the pitch is not in a good, it's not good, but it's not an excuse. We have to go there and we have to add another 3 points, and I don't want at the end of the game someone can say that we lost the game or we lost 2 points because the pitch was bad.
So Tuesday, Blackpool becomes the next most important match. What do you do? Between this game and that one, are you going to give the players a rest, or will it be straight in tomorrow and working on that one?
No, I think now this month is as important to play and to train as to rest, because we don't have time to train in the pitch. So today is very important to rest this night, to rest tomorrow, to rest on Tuesday, and the players who haven't played today, they have to be ready because maybe 1 or 2 or 3 can have their chance on Tuesday.
And you were right, eh? No manager of the month curse.
Yeah, and it's good for me, but always in the past I am hearing that after December Middlesbrough always is bad. Now we are good. After the manager of the month, Middlesbrough usually lose the following game. Boxing Day, when the stadium is full, Middlesbrough lost. So we are changing everything, and the main thing is at the end of the season.